like to have a balanced meal in the morning, something
a little unhealthy and something very healthy.
A balanced meal. Lately, I've been starting my day off with coffee, and the caffeine in coffee drives me crazy. I've been drinking tea in the morning and also this green juice. It's been giving me energy, which is surprising because it's just powdered water. And I'm like, how? Drink a glass of this in the morning and you'll feel great throughout the day. Also have your unhealthy breakfast. A balanced meal. So, I forgot to mention that I'm going to a festival down the street. I just forgot to mention it. So that's why I'm talking about a festival. Got it? Okay. Okay, so apparently it's supposed to thunder. It's about to rain, but I like to take my chances. So I'm still gonna walk to the festival. It's just down the street, but it might rain on me. But I have an umbrella, so I'm not tripping. Anyways, this is my outfit of the day. Cute, right? It actually might rain. Let's step outside, let's look. Yeah, that doesn't look too good. Oh, just saw lightning. There goes my spring festival plans. A little rain doesn't hurt, so we're still gonna go. Dressed as McDonald's. So. That was pretty cool. Kind of sucks that it rained, but it's okay. I still bought a bunch of stuff. First stop that I went to was the chocolate store. I love that store. I've been there so many times. Wow, they put it in a cute box. I got a big ass strawberry. That's literally what it was called.
Big ass strawberry.
But I didn't tell the lady.
Can I get a big ass strawberry?
Because that would have been weird. But it is humongous and I hope it tastes super good. Got a little turtle, caramel turtle, and a chocolate covered s'more. I've had this before, it's pretty good. So, this is dessert. I did get lunch at this seafood truck and they had like a jerk salmon wrap, which sounded really, really good. It smells so good too. This is what I call a good Saturday, okay? Whoa.
Talk about spicy.
My spice tolerance is
0, negative, okay?
black pepper is spicy to me. Isn't that sad? But that doesn't stop me from eating. I even got hot sauce here and tartar sauce, so we're gonna try this with both of them. Okay, let me just say, this was $19 for one wrap. Oh. This is so good. $19 though, if I wanted two, you would pay $40. It's crazy to say, but I might see why this is $19. It's chocolate top. I was hesitant to buy this chocolate because every time I eat chocolate, I break out like crazy. Like in 2 days, I'll probably have pretty bad pimples down here, but that does not stop me from eating chocolate. I just love chocolate too much. I thought I could contain my sweet tooth for the longest time, but right now, it is just unhinged. The chocolate is just so good. I don't know why, but I have been wanting this type of mug. I just love how vertical it is and it just looks so cozy to drink out of. I don't know. It's cute, isn't it? And then I got this tea ball if I buy loose tea. I'm so excited about this. I might make myself some tea. Okay, so I just discovered I might have an ant problem. I literally saw ants all up in my trash can coming from the freaking door. And I can't sit here knowing that I have ants crawling in and out of my house. Like, they don't pay rent, so. This is my first year living alone on my own, so I kind of have to research everything. They said white vinegar could get rid of your ants. So I'm just gonna put white vinegar at the front door and probably around the trash can. Now let's go take the trash out. Future Rebecca here. The white vinegar did not work. I still have the ant problem, but they're literally going from my front door to the trash can, which is like a distance of 2 feet. And I mean, they're technically taking the trash out for me. Like, how nice is that? I'm not gonna evict them. I'm gonna keep them. They're my friends now, and I'm lonely all the time, so I'm friends with a couple thousand ants. I got some work to do online, and I also have to plan my next 2-3 weeks because I have some pretty exciting stuff coming up. Sip on my tea with this new mug. I'm so excited. It's still hot. Good morning. It is 7:50 a.m. And I got approximately 3 hours of sleep. Yeah, I did not sleep till 3 a.m. because I have problems. This is today's look. We have a very exciting day ahead of us. We're gonna go to the flea market and we're gonna go to like this tea tasting. We're going with my sister, her boyfriend, and Sarah. I'm gonna show you the fit. It's so sick. Isn't she cute? The dress is from House of CV. What is this called? Bolero or something? This is from Cider. The necklace is from Amazon. And this is the purse. Purse is made by me. I'm sure some of you guys saw my TikTok because it blew up. I was surprised. But I did make this purse and it was so easy. It only took me 30 minutes. I'll link the yarn and the tutorial down below. Okay, let's go. We're at Tiff's. We made it to Tiff's. Tiff isn't ready.
I don't know what to wear.
She doesn't know what to wear. I'll help her later. But she got candy. We're gonna eat it. I've always wanted to try this. It's a crystal. Cranberry.
They're all my favorite.
That's actually pretty good. Ooh, this one's green. Ooh. This one's so cute. Which one's this one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Cherry blossom. Yeah, they just cut it up and mail it out. Oh my god, it's crooked.
This bitch doing her nails. 10 minutes before we better leave. That is so funny.
10 minutes.
Say cheese. Sarah's fit. She looks so cute.
Converse.
Right, the Converse with the maxi skirt. Oh, aren't they cute? Even though they've already seen my fit so many times. Ooh. Wow. Attention whore. It's so cute. Wow. Okay guys, we just finished at the flea market. I'm gonna give you a haul now. I got this new hair clip, and what's so funny is Tiff wanted it at first, and then she went to go walk around to think about it, and then I came around and I snatched it. It was only $6. Got this little strawberry keychain. It's so cute. It was only $2. And sweater vest, which is very sick. This lady made it. Very cute. And then I got these jean shorts. These are super cute. I'm gonna style these probably when I get home. I got this sweater. This is so cute, and I love the colors and the color blocking. And last but not least, I got this jean bag. Whoops. Just like a boho tote looking bag thing. That's all. You wanna show what you got, Sarah?
I got this ring.
Wow!
For
It's so
$5.
cute though. Now we're headed to the tea place, have a little bit of food in our system because we didn't really eat today. Why am I touching it? I don't know.
Oh. Are you actually gonna put that stuff in? Yeah.
Maybe that is a difference.
Hey, future Rebecca here. I forgot to close out the vlog, but I'm doing that now, so. I said I was gonna style the things that I got from the flea market, so we're gonna do that now. This is literally the cutest thing ever. I don't know where it's from. It says it's from Sue, whatever that is. Here it is! Isn't it adorable? The sleeves are honestly kind of short. I mean, I can always just like hold it down. Anyways, it's so cute. I feel like this sweater looks really good with shorts, especially for the spring. So, word. And this bag has red lining inside, and I think it just looks so good with this sweater. Then I got these shorts, which are super cute. I wish they were more baggy, so they could be like baggy jorts, but it's okay. You're definitely gonna catch me wearing these all summer, all spring, all whatever, all day, every day. And then, oh, the most epic one of them all. Let's style it. I just have like a black bralette underneath and a little mini skirt, and I thought this would be super cute with boots, like leather knee-high boots or something. And that's it. I even got the hair clip in. Love you guys. See ya.